So I'm in my skid steer. Hope we get a decent audio. I actually got the machine running. We had a new update on the Leica system the other day. They come out and my rep from TerraWise come down and updated the tablet and then the tablet here in the machine. And one feature we got new is called data logging, and it's tracking where you're at on your proposed grade as you go over a piece of the area. Really didn't think I would care much for it, but after running it all day today, it seems to be pretty handy. Let me just show y'all a little bit of something that seems to be working pretty good for me. So what we've got is the MC panel here in the skid steer, and I'm running a TerraWise solution, what they're calling their Terra Blade. It's out here on the machine, and I'm on a football field that I'm renovating right now. And if you look here on this side of our screen, you'll see now there's a green checkerboard and orange, and there's some other colors in there. And this new feature is called logging, and you can set it to do it manually when you turn it on, or you can set it where it will do it as soon as you go into auto mode with your blade. And what we're seeing here, if I don't get all the wrong buttons, what we see is the side of the field I'm on right here. Right here is my machine, that's my blade. All of this is green. So I'm looking this way right here, as you can see in front of me, looking right there. And what it's telling me is where green is at is on grade, and where the orange is and some of the reds means I'm still too hot. The green will actually kind of lie to me, because with the blade system I'm using, it's got, we'll call it a shoe on the bottom of it that helps, load out the machine level, since it's not a bulldozer. So my blade edge could actually be above ground and saying it's on grade, but not be carrying no dirt. So I'm not really paying attention to that. What I do like is all these orange spots. And that orange spot right over here beside me right now, I know it's high, because earlier when I was grading, this area right here is a real hard spot, and I was about 3 or 4 inches high right there. We had to have another machine cut it down. That is handy. That lets me know as I'm roughing this field in that that's a spot where I can send another machine to break the ground up, or, to remember to come back to that area and do some more cuts on it. Pretty neat little old deal. Like I said, I won't use it much for the finish grade, but it'll really be handy on your high spots and the way it tracks you. So that's everywhere I went the last couple hours. It's got all that little mesh on it. Pretty neat. So like I said, it all comes from TerraWise Solutions. They are my Leica dealer and rep. They're out of McDonough, Georgia. I'm going to tell you, I like them. Just like on this deal here, they let me know a few weeks ago, I was talking to them, there was an update, and they had made the trip down here the other day. We couldn't do nothing because it was too wet anyway. My rep, he drove all the way down here. It's 2 hours away. We met him out here. We set up the robot, went through everything, showed me some new features on both pieces of the equipment. And that's what it's all about. It's all about service. So if you're running a Leica system, you haven't got that update yet, you may want to check into it. And if you're looking at getting some machine control, or even lasers and everything else, I bought regular lasers from them too. Reach out to TerraWise Solutions up there in McDonough. They can handle that whole southeast region. Bunch of good guys.